Ever drain pasta and end up with a sticky gummy pile instead of silky noodles? There's science to that. Today we're breaking down the science of pasta texture, how starch, surface moisture, and cooking conditions interact, and why a few simple mistakes can turn a pot of noodles into a sticky mess. When pasta first hits boiling water, its surface releases a cloud of starch. If the noodles sit too close together, or the water isn't moving, that starch forms a sticky coating. As the pasta cooks, those surfaces can glue themselves together, creating clumps that never fully separate. That's why pasta can feel gummy or stuck together even after draining. Pasta is made mainly of starch and protein. As soon as it enters boiling water, the outer layer of starch granules swells and begins to dissolve, creating a sticky gel on the surface. If the water isn't hot enough or there isn't enough of it, that starch doesn't disperse. It just sits on the noodles where the starch gels merge and bond together. Stirring early prevents this by keeping the noodles suspended and separating the starch. To keep pasta from sticking, use a big pot, salt the water, keep it at a rolling boil, and stir during the first 30 seconds. That's when most of the starch is released. Adding oil to the water doesn't stop sticking, it just floats on top. But tossing cooked pasta with a little sauce immediately does prevent clumping by coating the surface before the starch can dry. Follow for more food explained simply on the flavor breakdown. Subscribe for more food explained simply on the flavor breakdown.